You are probably asking yourself what's happening. Rest assured, relax and enjoy the video because we are making this cake ourselves. Okay, please stay tuned. I hope you do enjoy the final results. Sit back and enjoy this baking session. Also, I wanted to let you know that the cake inspo came from Nzako Cook with Nzako. I'll put her profile on the screen. Just wanted to share this with you guys that making this cake has really made me look at certain things in a different way. You know, when you make a cake, there's ingredients that you need to get, the steps that you need to take, you know, and the final product is when people enjoy your cake or they don't, you know, but let's say they enjoy the cake. And I'm just saying our journeys might look similar. There's things that we need to put into place for us to get to where we are going, you know. And I think when you get to where you are going, you just have a different way of appreciating where you are because you remember all those steps that you've taken to get there. So this is that moment where we like, oh wow, you know, oh wow, we are here somehow, you know, we are here. And it's a moment to celebrate. And yeah, I thought I should just share that with you. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dinero. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on that subscribe button and like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. So I thought I should come here and welcome you properly and say hello. I hope that you're enjoying your time here. Let's continue with our vlog. for celebration, family. Yes, we are now a family of 1K plus. Can you believe it? I cannot believe it. It has been quite a journey, but I just want to take this moment to say thank you so much for your love and your support. I truly appreciate it. Let us go and enjoy the cake.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Do you guys remember the storage box that was part of my bowl of gifts? I am finally putting it into use. I am using it as my storage box for these items. Super excited for this.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh,
And loves, we have come to the end of our celebration video. It was just that. I just wanted to say thank you so much for your continued support, and yeah, I cannot believe that we are here. Like I said, it has been quite a journey, but there's so much that I've learned, and I am truly grateful that we are here right now. Cheers to greater heights. If you've watched the video until this far, I just want to say thank you so much for your continuous support. Please do subscribe if you haven't, like and share my video as well, leave a comment, click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye.
baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of bird.